All right, welcome back to the Crypto ZX channel, to the XRP community. First and foremost, Happy New Year to each and every one of you guys. The year of 2024 was a memorable year. We'll never forget it. I think, personally speaking, I did mention this in several of my other updates. It was a great year. And, I'm sure a lot of people can relate, especially for XRP as well. A lot of people that don't, look at it from a realistic standpoint tend to ignore, how bullish XRP really was for the year of 2024 in such a short span of time too. For the entire year of 2024, it was pretty stagnant, boring sideways momentum. But the last few months, the last 2 months were amazing, and I think we're setting ourselves up for even a greater year with a lot of excitement. But I wish you, each and every one of you guys, a lot of happiness, success, and good health for the year of 2025. And your support means the world to me. Continue supporting, and you will see a continuation of these updates. But yeah, looking across the board, single retracement right now. December 31st was a great day, but market has retraced a little bit as we are starting off the year. But some coins up right now. XRP is one of the ones that's still remaining in green, up 1.7% to be exact. Price currently sitting at $2.10, also up 2.1% in Bitcoin comparative, with the market valuation above 120 billion and the 24-hour trading volume at about $4 billion. What a lot of people will forget is, we are starting off a brand new year, with the price of XRP sitting above $2. And once you realize how big of a deal that is, you really understand that, this is a major deal that we should not be ignoring. But before we get into any further, as always, just a quick disclaimer: anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in crypto. I want to start off with this. I ask you guys, the community members, what coin will shock the world in 2025? 3,800 votes have come in. 66% are, rooting for XRP. That is huge. And if you want to take part of these polls, make sure you hit that bell icon so you're notified every time I upload. But let's take a look at what's happening. So look at this. Happy New Year's, XRP community. XRP has officially closed its highest yearly candle ever. Let that sink in. 2025 is our year. Huge deal, guys. We are, above $2, and it's the highest yearly candle close ever. A lot of people that like chasing just green candles are going to be ignoring this, but the true holders are understanding the significance of this. Grayscale XRP Fund finishes out the year by quadrupling its value in the last month to $41.81. 87 cents, sorry. Let's 100x this monsters next year in 2025. Huge, of course, but not a big surprise. You are seeing a lot of demand rising for XRP now, as you are seeing the launch of the XRPL ledger being used by some major institutions. People are actually starting to see the potential, and of course, tokenization talks being happening. RLUSD launch, and it's setting itself up for a great few years to come. But yeah, let's take a further look and see what's happening. Bitcoin mining firm Hive Digital relocates its headquarters from Vancouver, Canada, to Texas, citing President-elect Donald Trump's pro-Bitcoin stance. And of course, a lot of rumors flying around that there could be that just complete diminishing of the capital gains tax for companies that are based in the U.S. But again, I think we still need a little bit more confirmation on that. But look at this: ETF flows. Around 57 Bitcoin and 10,710 Ethereum were bought on December 31st. So you're seeing money coming back in, guys. Money is coming back in. But we also need to understand that the 31st December, was a huge day for the stock market. About $7.1 trillion was added to the traditional stock market, which is insane to think about. But let's really take a look at what's happening right now for Bitcoin's price and what we could be expecting going obviously into the morning for January 1st for XRP's price. So as far as dominance is concerned, it's picking up right now, as you can see. Obviously, you don't want the dominance going back above 58.6%. I've talked about this countless of times. At this point, everyone should know why. If you're looking at Bitcoin, Bitcoin, did go all the way up to $96,300 yesterday, but we never really managed to close above that range. Market retested, and you're looking at the price pretty much going back down to where it started off. And right now, even though we have seen a little bit of a bounce from, this wick down to 92.8, we're still not out of the woods yet. The target at the 23.6 support at the 92.5 is still on the table, and potentially us retesting the likes of the 91K is still on the table right now if we were to lose the support where we currently are at, as you can see. So, those are something that, of course, only time is going to tell, but we don't want to be ignoring how XRP is holding right now, especially as I stated to you guys before. Look at this, the yearly highest candle close for XRP in its history, which should not be ignored. But if you're looking at the hourly time frame right now, as you can see this for yourself, once again, here we are once again back in the 38.2 Fibonacci retracement level. I know some people are losing patience. They want to see the 23.6 retested. They want to see the price of XRP cracking past all-time highs. But as I've stated to you guys before several different times on this channel, I don't care if the price of XRP stays within this range, the 38.2. Especially when you're seeing the volatility for Bitcoin, and despite that fact, it's pretty much has held its ground within the 38.2. You don't want to be ignoring this. But in terms of targets, in terms of confirmation, I have stated to you guys before, obviously you'd want to see the price getting back up to that $2.32, very, very key important level. Obviously, if that level is able to break out, then, that gives me a confirmation that, hold on, we could actually start moving. But right now we are ranging, and, it's not that the price of XRP does not want to break out. It has been trying, and now you're noticing a little bit of a trend playing out. You can see around the $2.13.8, we are finding a little bit of a hard time breaking out. And again, visuals speak for themselves. And again, look at this for yourself. From the 29th, as we broke below, you could see the trying of this retest above. We're seeing so 4 different rejections above this, around this resistance, around the $2.14. If you were to round it up, you really want to see this breaking out. If it could, I think $2.22 is that next initial target, and then one step at a time, like I said. But so far so good. Really, really liking this setup, especially how it's starting off the year above $2. I think a lot of people are about to be shocked in the very near future as to what XRP is about to do. I have this gut feeling that, and I've said this to you guys before, while the market was having major shakeouts, I said Donald Trump's coming into the office, and I think leading up to that, we could see the market rallying. So like I said, the next few hours are very important, but would not be surprised if that does end up playing out. But let me know down below what you guys think. What do you think about the lawsuit? Do you think the XRP lawsuit is officially going to come to an end this year? Are you going to see that ETF? Are we going to see the Ripple IPO? I want to know from your guys' comments, and of course, where do you see the price of XRP going at the end of the year of 2025? Love each and every one of you guys. We'll see you later in Crypto ZX, and peace out.